Around here, and long before they can be heard, trains are often glimpsed for 40 minutes or so in the far distance on the section from Chibuga. As the shadows rapidly lengthen in the evening sun, we are waiting for our train to return from Chibuga to collect us at Lindong for the next leg of our adventure, onwards to the Jingpeng Pass itself. The long-awaited highlight of our trip is now just one day away. Back at Lindong, this eastbound freight waits for a clear road over the single-track section for Tongliao.